Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2010 Chevy Impala, and we are doing a CV axle and lower control arm. Customer states CV axle needs to be replaced. You know, sure enough, it's busted there at the joint. And I got here and started working on stuff and noticed that the lower control arm was a wee bit loose. And I got to looking at stuff. Come to find out, CV axle's missing part of it. So the part that you can see right here, brace to where the bolt goes through, that piece is missing. See it right there? So had to go get a lower control arm and inform the customer that's why his CV axle busted. Lower control arm came out and pulled on the joint and therefore destroyed the CV axle. But here we go. This bolt comes out here. This is going to be a T55 Torx bit bolt. Comes out from the bottom, and this is going to be a 20, 21 if I'm not mistaken, or 18. I can't remember the bolt sizes up top, but basically that bolt comes out. This bolt right here comes out. Nut right here. Bolt on this side. Take out the lower ball joint. Bolt nut. Take out these two studs right here. This will give this enough playroom in order to have the CV axle itself come out, plus also give you enough room to take the lower control arm out without no problem. And then this, I believe, is going to be a 36 nut for the CV axle. That's a little bit fun to get out. If you try pulling on it, you will yank it out and it'll look exactly like this. But I have a unique little tool. So this is a slide hammer, and this right here is a CV axle cord. This just threads onto the bottom of this slide hammer, fits right back behind it, and then boop, pops it right out. Not really a whole lot of room underneath the transmission to get any kind of pry bar. There's nothing straight that you can get on it, so that's probably going to be kind of fun. Maybe a crowbar with a J-hook can also get in there, so long as you don't damage any of the wires and cable connections and stuff that are back there. But yeah, that's gonna be a fun one without this little tool right here. Also did take out the stabilizer bar link, because that is connected to the lower control arm, so that will have to come out as well. But overall, this was about 30-45 minute job. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.